Let's set you up here. Let's have a little chat. It's been a while since we've been on camera. We are learning how to film and document things, but also take time we need to recoup and to not be on film. We're both, I guess we all humans are emotional bodies, and Trey and I are sensitive to how we feel, and so when being in front of the camera feels like an obligation, or it feels like it's forced, or that we have to, we know that's a time to take a step back. We have spent some time in and outside of El Paso. We have spent some time in and outside of Tucson, Arizona. We are currently about to go to Phoenix. So yeah, we're learning kind of the oscillation of emotions of filming things and capturing things, which we both enjoy. We love the creative aspect of capturing moments, and I like to kind of caption and write about them. Trey likes to make the videos, which he does an incredible job with, but it's also draining and it takes a lot of social currency and energy to do those things. So yeah, we're about to head into Phoenix and stock up on some things. Usually when we get into a city is our chance to do laundry, fill up on water, restock on groceries, vacuum and clean the van because it's gotten pretty dusty out here. Let's go to Phoenix.
Well, we almost got towed, but we didn't. That's the key.
Hello fam. We are in Phoenix. We haven't filmed a ton, and admittedly we have been here for a couple of days without filming. I think the exhaustion from filming just kind of carried over. We've been getting groceries, we've done some laundry, a little bit of fitness, just kind of recouping, but hopefully content is coming your way, specifically new content, because this one made a purchase.
Yeah, I got something here. Take this. We're going to up our vlog content and our shots via aerial shots. This is the DJI Mini Pro 3, and I got a really good deal at Best Buy. I got about $250 off of this very light drone. It's a 249 gram drone, so I don't know if there's a drone lighter than this. I'm sure there are, but this is specifically light enough so you can like bypass some regulations and licensings and stuff like that. We just got everything ready to go. I've got about 75% of battery on this thing, so we're gonna go ahead and send it for its first flight.
Oh god.
Its maiden voyage. I'm nervous. Are you nervous?
I am.
Okay, let's go find a spot where there's no trees.
Oh god.
Holy moly. All right, here we go.
I'm not even gonna show it because it's there somewhere.
Rotate it down.
Where is it?
Okay, here's the deal. Eddie and I found this thing to do in Phoenix. It's called the RoRo Arts Festival. Oh wait, no, it's not called that. It's called the RoRo Street Art Tour in Phoenix. Now, what we're gonna do is not take the tour. We're gonna go find these locations ourselves and tour the graffiti and the art ourselves.
Come along.
Come along and enjoy.
We're out of practice. We don't know how to do this anymore.
You ready? So it looks like we found like the famous shipment container restaurants, which are right here. All that music coming from. I don't know how many restaurants are in there. We'll go check that out here in a minute too. But we did find the graffiti. Let's roll that footage. Awesome, the different murals, the different artists, and that's what you're missing on the tour, or knowing the story behind the mural, the story behind all the art. What do you think?
It's pretty.
It's very pretty.
Cool.
Yeah.
Super talented.
I think this is just half of what we're gonna see, so keep going.
Yeah.
resonate with this one a lot on those rainy days in the van. It's very cool. We are at Starlite BBQ in Scottsdale, Arizona. Addie's on the phone with her best friend Paige, back home. Hey Paige. And we're about to get a full rack of ribs and some other fun stuff to eat. Let's go. All right, what are we working with?
Pulled pork, coleslaw, beans, cornbread, fries, mac and cheese, ribs.
What do we got going on here?
Pork ribs. I'm not gonna put any sauce on them. We're just gonna go straight for kind of the dry rub feel. Good.
Yeah?
Very good. What about 8.2?
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, food was great. We're about to explore a little park.
No.
No.
We're at the Botanical Gardens in Scottsdale, Arizona. Addie's in her Canadian tuxedo already. After
I didn't mean to.
full-on Canadian tuxedo. You ready? Do a transition out here.
All right, so we're not doing the Botanical Garden right now. It's a little too expensive and we think we caught it too late. So we don't want to get caught out there at dark and not be able to see anything. You can tell it's a really cool place. They've got some neat stuff, but...
This is a glass sculpture of a fake cactus. And that's about all we're gonna get out of the Botanical Gardens here in Arizona.
we'll find something else.
Yeah. We found a hiking trail nearby. We're gonna go up here, see what there is to see. A couple cacti, a couple rocks, who knows. Let's go. Big old cactus. It's about, I guess, the height of Trevor. How many people have hugged a cactus before? Probably not many.
Did you?
No. Van and we just zigzagged all the way up here. You can reach that peak, but we chose this option. Good afternoon, y'all. We are at Encanto Park, which is a giant sportsplex out here in Phoenix. Addie is meeting her friend Denzel, who she went to college with. I'm feeling a little cruddy, so I'm still in the van about to change and maybe get active for a little bit. I would love to fly the drone. There's a lot of stuff going on, and we got pickleball, tennis, kickball. It's nice out here. So yeah, I might fly the drone, gonna play a little sports action, hopefully feel a little bit better. Let's go. The energy is high out here, folks. I would love to match that, but I just feel terrible, as you can hear in my voice. We're gonna go find Addie. She's probably killing it in tennis with Denzel, so.
First off, that is swing the racket, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Hey,
What's up, man?
Nice to meet you, bro.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
They told me to sit over here in the corner so I wouldn't embarrass them, by the way. That's why I'm not playing tennis, just so y'all know.
Alright, so every relationship, whether you live in a house, an apartment, a van, whatever, you figure out what duties you like to do and which ones you don't, and Trey and I try to split those just organically, what we both enjoy. Well, the task of emptying the potty is not on my list. It is most definitely on the list of this man's.
Got to the unglamorous part of van life. Now we have a Distrcit composting toilet. I'm going to show you how this thing works and how we dump it. There is a clasp here, pop it off, open it up. Top half is going to come off via this little hinge here. Oh God, just like that. This half is the liquids, which I just dumped in a nice safe location. So that's the liquids, and then the solids here. We're going to throw a garbage bag over the top. Now I've not done this yet. I don't know how this is gonna go. It's probably gonna get pretty nasty. It's gonna create the suction. I put a hole in the bag so it wouldn't do that, but okay. Not too bad. There's gonna be some cleaning for me to do with my hands and the sprayer, but that worked pretty well. And now we turn this into this. And that, my friends, is how you dump the Distrcit toilet. Okay guys, as we are leaving Phoenix, we just picked up a couple packages that I ordered off of Amazon, and we said goodbye to our friend Denzel.
And Jay.
And Jay. Here's one of those things that I ordered, and mind me, I'm still sick. It was a cheap camera gear backpack. This one now houses all of my gear instead of being in my North Face backpack, my old TikTok backpack. So this will have my Canon body, the Sigma lens, my drone, Lacey hard drive, some battery packs, lighting, the controller for the DJI for the drone, and then my GoPro right here. And then this camera, which I'm on now, will sit right here. So this is pretty much the cheap gear bag from Amazon. I'll link that in the description. It's got a hard back. You can actually lock these zippers with a small padlock if you want to. It's got a little hard back to it. I like this backpack for the price. It fits everything I need, and it also has a nice little laptop holder down there. And then this little Joby tripod will sit right here. I'll lock it in eventually. So now that Addie's all caught up with work, I've got my camera bag, camera gear like I like it. We are going to head to Sedona. So long, Phoenix. It's been real, it's been fun. See you on the next one. Let's go.